Here's an interesting sight. It's cold, it's early in the morning, and all of these beautiful metallic flowers are closed up. You know, I've thought about prayer plants and the like closing, but these flowers are distinctly shut down early in the morning on a cold 50-degree morning in Southaven. They just look like little round peas instead of beautiful open flowers, don't they? So flowers can close up as well, can't they? In response to light and possibly, in this case, temperature. Dropped about 10 degrees or so. Here is the same patch of flowers on a sunny, warm day so that you can understand what I'm talking about when I talk about the flowers closing up on a cloudy or a cold day. They almost look metallic, don't they? Gorgeous.